back in the days, in the 70s, the Levitt homes are all over the world, in the United States and Puerto Rico. The houses came with a bidet, right? As a luxury, it's a luxury feature of the bathroom. The bidet is water. It's a like the toilet. It's next to the toilet where the water comes up, and then you can clean yourself. You can clean your hiney with it. So now the bidets are coming back, and LUXE Bidet sent me this Neo 110 so that I can show you what comes in the box, right? And I'm going to install it eventually and show you how it's really easy to install. Now, there's a revolution of people saying that, actually, you see, it was featured in a bunch of magazines, and everyone's saying that this is like the next best thing. So I'll show you what comes in it. It's really simple to install, and the concept is simple. It's just basically water coming up from your toilet. So you can turn now, instead of having an extra unit in the bathroom, you have the same toilet under the toilet lid. This becomes part of your toilet lid, and you can control the water pressure, and you can clean yourself using this. And some people swear by it so much that they think that eventually people are going to start eliminating the use of toilet paper. Hey, I'm just saying. So this is what comes in there. Let me open it. So this goes under your toilet lid. It's really well made. The surface is non-porous, which is very important when it comes to bathroom fixtures, because you don't want bacteria to go in there. So let me put it up close so that you see how well made this is. You see those dots? This is the dial for the pressure of the water. The bigger the dot, the harder the pressure, right? And this goes under. Now, that right there is a design. I've done reviews of other of these bidets, but LUXE has a specific thing that is really the feature of this product, is that it has this splash guard, so that the water, like dirty water, if it splashes this way, it's protecting the nozzle. So this nozzle right here, that's where the water is gonna go shooting up to clean yourself, right? And but this one has this covering, which makes it more hygienic. So this goes, the lid goes right here on top, and then when you need to use it, when you move this dial, this nozzle right here is gonna lower and shoot water in that angle, and it's going to get your hiney. Make sure you know what you're doing. So that's the way it works. I'm going to set it up, and then you'll see how it works. Now, something very important. Make sure you teach your kids what this thing does, because they'll want to play with this knob, and it turns into a really watery fun park.